Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox and review EPZ Q1 Pro, and it's a budget IEM priced at just 28 US dollar. The brand name is EPZ, which is a well-known brand in hi-fi community but not so popular. So I'm going to try their product for the first time, and I'll share my honest opinion and experience with you guys. Although there are two other EPZ IEMs I also have, which review videos I will bring to you in the next few weeks. So let's see its unboxing first, and then I'll share my first impressions with you guys. So now you have saw the unboxing, and now I'm going to share my first impressions with you guys. The packaging was just fine. It's a good effort but not so great. You get a manual guide in the box and some ear tips which looks very average, and then you also get a pouch as well, which is again a nice effort, and I like the pouch as it will easily store most of your earphones. And the cables are also pretty average. They feel really cheap in hands. And now let's talk about the IEMs itself. First of all, it's a normal size IEM, which is good, and they are very lightweight. And the third point is that the way they are finished, it really feels premium and high quality. And the fourth point is that their face plate is also very good looking. So like they are very beautiful looking IEMs at budget price also. So in my first impressions, what I like the most is the IEM itself, and now let's see how it performs, and now I'm going to use it and will come back with a quick review. Welcome to my review, friends. So I have used it for a few days now, and there is so much to tell you, but since you people like quick reviews and fast analysis, I will try to present my point in simple sentences. Let's start with its fit and comfort level. They are comfortable with no problem at all, and as for the fit, they are super fit. I mean, they are tightly fit in your ears. Now coming to its sound quality, I'll be completely honest with you guys. This is my first IEM that I am having a hard time understanding it. Its tuning is very different and it's not familiar with other normal IEMs I have. It is very technical sounding IEM. Bass is present and it's a hard bass, but it's smooth. The treble is slightly above balanced, and the vocals are good and look like balanced to me. When you wear these IEMs, you wouldn't be able to get familiar with it because they feel like speakers kind of. And also these speakers are not woofer type speakers that are meant for music. They focus mostly on vocals and produce good vocals. So like they are vocal speakers. But here's the main thing. You will feel the vocals somewhere or a little away from you and not close to you. It's not much of a feeling, but still you will definitely feel it. Overall, there isn't much of a problem in its tuning except one. That's just my opinion. It feels like if the Q1 Pro is suffocating and it wants to explode, but it can't because it is forcibly imprisoned or so. I can't give you a better example than this. This is exactly how I feel about it, and I have shared my thoughts with you guys. It may be good in vocal videos, but in music, I think it may not satisfy some of you because it doesn't perform at full power and does not explore more or show its full performance. But despite all these things, I still approve it because of three reasons. The number one is I enjoyed it at a different level because it has its own uniqueness and taste. And the second reason is that the price is reasonable. It would have been more better if it was a little more low, but it's fine. And the last reason is that I have tried many IEMs priced at $50 or above and in the same range. Among those IEMs, some of them I found this one more better than those because it's bearable and somewhat enjoyable as well. That's it. Hi guys, there's a twist in my review. Now it has become more interesting. I completed my review of EPZ Q1 Pro in 6.5 minutes and even uploaded the video on YouTube as well. And then when I was sharing a link of EPZ Q1 Pro from AliExpress store, so there I saw it was written in-ear gaming headphones for EPZ Q1 Pro. It was very surprising that I didn't knew about it earlier. That's why I was having such a hard time understanding it. It's a gaming in-ear monitor. This means I do not need to do any more analysis because the analysis I did already are perfectly suited for gaming in-ear headphones. And one more correction, its price is $32, not $28. It was on discount earlier. But whatever, now I absolutely approve it 100%. It's a very good gaming in-ear monitor. I'm sure you will like it. So its main purpose is gaming and then you can enjoy other vocal videos as well. And lastly, on third place is the music, which I have already told you that some people may like it and some may not because it's not a music themed IEM especially. I'm sorry that I wasn't aware this time. I will be more careful from now on. So that was my quick review, and there are other long reviews of Q1 Pro as well on YouTube. You can check out those as well. I hope you liked my review. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments and I will surely reply you. Thank you for watching my video. Be in peace. Goodbye.